What would you hear when we go camping?
Howl.
And what would the owl do? What would you carry into our campsite?
Hello.
A pillow?
Yeah.
Would you carry a sleeping bag?
Yeah.
What else would you carry?
How about food?
Food?
Yeah.
What food would you carry?
Just put and drop it in the mail.
Strawberries, watermelon, and blueberries?
Yeah.
What else?
No more.
No more?
Peach.
Peaches?
An apple.
An apple. What about ice water?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll have to do that sometime.
Be a funny meal.
And
What about, oh, Wilson, what about marshmallows and chocolate? And,
Yeah.
and graham crackers, and we can make s'mores.
yeah,
Can you say s'mores?
more.
All right.
And how about got peaches, apple, and lemon, peaches, and lemon, and chocolate bubbles, and those got fish, got
Fish?
chocolate, ice cream.
Ice cream? I don't think we could take ice cream hiking.